Welcome to LushLoom, your trusted partner in premium home and office renovations. With years of experience transforming spaces in Dubai, we specialize in crafting interiors that merge luxury, comfort, and functionality. Whether you're looking to update your floors or enhance your windows with custom curtains, LushLoom brings your vision to life with precision and expertise. Scene 1. The LushLoom experience, bringing your vision to life. At LushLoom, we understand that every space is unique. Our dedicated team works closely with you to design personalized solutions that match your style and needs. From modern flooring options to elegant curtains and soft furnishings, we offer bespoke services tailored to your space, creating environments that inspire. Scene 2. Premium flooring installation. Your floor is the base of every room's style and comfort. LushLoom offers premium hardwood for warmth, plush carpets for softness, and durable tiles for a clean, modern look. We help you choose the right flooring to match your design vision. Our expert installers handle every detail with precision, delivering a beautiful, long-lasting finish for your home or office. Scene 3. Curtain installation. Custom and motorized. Give your space a complete look with LushLoom's custom curtain solutions. Choose from elegant fabrics, sheer styles, blackout options, or modern motorized systems for maximum convenience. Our curtains are designed to add beauty, privacy, and comfort while enhancing your room's ambience. With motorized curtains, you can effortlessly control light and mood with a click or a swipe, perfect for modern homes and offices. Scene 4. Full renovation transformation, before and after. At LushLoom, we don't just renovate, we transform. Our renovation services go beyond simple updates, turning your space into something extraordinary. From the finest flooring installations to the most intricate curtain details, we ensure your entire space is carefully designed and expertly executed. Every project is a collaboration, and we take pride in delivering results that exceed your expectations. Our experienced team works tirelessly to bring your dream space to life, handling every detail with care and precision. Closing scene. Whether you're redesigning your home, upgrading your office, or renovating a commercial space, LushLoom is here to help. Our team of renovation experts is committed to providing you with the highest quality flooring and curtain solutions, enhancing both the beauty and functionality of your space. Ready to transform your space? Contact LushLoom today for a personalized consultation. Let us help you create the home or office of your dreams with our professional renovation services.